guys, Jello Gillettes, Red Bat fans, the Bell Life fans. What's up, YouTubers? It's my dad, Josh, with another video. Today, guys, I'm gonna show you a whole bottle of Dr. Pepper. Sorry I haven't done challenges in a while. I've been busy with Christmas and my new job at Charlie's. Woo woo! And spending time with my cousin. So let's get the party started. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's good, Dr. Pepper. Almost there. Yeah, guys, I took some cream. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Please like, share, subscribe to Matt Dad Josh, BJ Cooper Comedy Show. Right Back TV and The Bell Life and this has been Matt Dad Josh. Love y'all. Peace out and feed me more.